Hey my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Loise wamaitha and I'm so glad and grateful that you clicked on this video. So grab your cup of tea, relax and enjoy this cleaning motivation till the end. And I've been chilling, watching the ocean. So I prefer starting with laundry so that they could be dry by the end of the day and I'll be able to fold them the same day to avoid workload piling up.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you are.
So here I'm just turning the clothes and closing the zips for safety.
Go with me. Let's take it. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water.
So I decided to try this toast machine wash and it's been working so well for me. It cleans the clothes perfectly and it's also affordable. I would highly recommend it. Also, I'll be using Downy for the scent.
I was sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow.
As the load is washing, I went to have breakfast. And today for breakfast, I'll be having banana bread and some tea. And this recipe for the banana bread will be coming up, so keep it tuned.
Oh, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
So now it's time for some self-care, and here I'm starting by showing you how to make an easy, simple food scrubber using things you have at home.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
After adding all your ingredients, mix gently not to break the sugar particles. Another thing I'll be using today is this food scrubber, and I got it from the streets for only 50 shillings and it's of so much help. Your feet will thank you for it.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down.
In a big basin, add in your warm water, then add in your soap and whisk it to a foam.
With you, let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good.
So this is the before, and you can see how I badly needed this foot scrub. had so much dead skin pile.
Time wherever you're with me.
So next I'll be soaking the feet for about 20 minutes to soften the skin for easy scrubbing, and this is so relaxing, guys. Kindly try it out.
Let's take it.
Then I will use the nail file to remove excess skin on my nail, and then use the nail file part to remove dirt under my nail. After that, you dry your feet a bit and start scrubbing.
You asked me how we got here.
After, we'll scrub using a nail brush, each and every nail, then scrub all through the nails, the heels, and between the fingers using the sugar scrub I showed you before.
'Cause you don't.
Then to finish up and have that glow, we'll be using natural honey and spread it all over my leg. Look at how my nail is clean and all pink. The effort truly paid off, and all the dead skin is out. So lastly, you are going to moisturize using the oil of your choice, and these heels were so soft, guys. Hope you do give it a try and have happy feet like me.
Know how you say it would take.
So next, guys, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen. I had some few dishes to catch up with and wipe all the counters.
On water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
Thank you so much for coming this far, and that's it for this video. Hope you learned something and got motivated to clean. Till next time, bye.
Where we gotta be? You